Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. AI-powered machines are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. This means that AI can be used to automate tasks, analyze data, and make predictions. One of the most important things to understand about AI is that it is not a single technology. Instead, AI is a collection of different technologies that can be used to create a wide range of applications. Some of the most common AI technologies include machine learning. Machine learning algorithms allow computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This makes machine learning ideal for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and fraud detection. Deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to learn from data. Deep learning algorithms are particularly good at tasks that require complex pattern recognition, such as object detection and speech recognition. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a field of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and human, natural, languages. NLP algorithms can be used to understand the meaning of text, generate text, and translate languages. AI is still a relatively new technology, but it is already having a major impact on a wide range of industries. AI is being used to automate tasks, improve decision-making, and create new products and services. As AI continues to develop, it is likely to have an even greater impact on our lives in the years to come. AI can provide a number of benefits for businesses, including automation. AI can be used to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for humans to focus on more creative tasks. For example, AI can be used to automate tasks such as data entry, customer service, and scheduling. Data analysis. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns and trends. This can help businesses to make better decisions, identify new opportunities, and improve their operations. Predictions and recommendations. AI can be used to make predictions and recommendations based on data. This can help businesses to identify potential problems, make better decisions, and improve their customer service. Overall, AI can help businesses to become more efficient, productive, and profitable. As AI continues to develop, it is likely to have an even greater impact on businesses in the years to come. Here are some specific examples of how AI is being used to benefit businesses. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots can be used to answer customer questions and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. This can help businesses to improve their customer satisfaction and reduce their customer service costs. Fraud detection. AI can be used to detect fraudulent transactions and identify suspicious activity. This can help businesses to protect their revenue and reputation. Product development. AI can be used to analyze customer feedback and usage data to identify new product features and improvements. This can help businesses to develop products that better meet the needs of their customers. AI is a powerful tool that can be used to improve businesses of all sizes. By understanding the benefits of AI and how it can be used, businesses can gain a competitive advantage in the years to come. There are a number of ways to use AI to automate your income. Here are two of the most common. 1. Use AI-powered tools to create and manage your own online business. There are a number of AI-powered tools available that can help you to create and manage your own online business. For example, you can use AI to create a website or blog, manage your social media accounts, create and send email marketing campaigns, track your website traffic and analytics, provide customer service. By using AI to automate these tasks, you can free up your time to focus on more important things, such as developing new products and services or growing your customer base. 2. Use AI to invest in the stock market or other financial assets. AI can also be used to invest in the stock market or other financial assets. For example, you can use AI to research and identify potential investment opportunities, track the performance of your investments, make trading decisions, manage your risk. By using AI to automate these tasks, you can save time and improve your investment returns. It is important to note that AI is not a magic bullet. It is not guaranteed to make you money. However, AI can be a valuable tool for automating your income and improving your financial future. AI is a powerful tool that can be used to automate your income and improve your life. Here are 3 tips to get started with AI. 1. Learn about AI and how it works. The first step to using AI is to learn about it and how it works. There are a number of resources available online and in libraries that can help you to understand AI. Once you have a basic understanding of AI, you can start to explore ways to use it to automate your income. 2. Find ways to use AI to automate tasks in your life. Once you understand how AI works, you can start to find ways to use it to automate tasks in your life. For example, you can use AI to manage your finances, schedule appointments, book travel, create and send emails, track your health and fitness. By automating these tasks, you can free up your time to focus on more important things. 3. Use AI to invest in your future. AI can also be used to invest in your future. For example, you can use AI to research and identify potential investment opportunities, track the performance of your investments, make trading decisions, manage your risk. By using AI to automate these tasks, you can save time and improve your investment returns. AI is a powerful tool that can be used to automate your income and improve your life. By following these 3 tips, you can get started with AI and start to reap the benefits.